How to make easy, yummy, different type of pizza. First, you need mushrooms. Cut the mushrooms. Cut an onion. Cut a tomato. Cut garlic. Cut sausage. Cut spring onion. Grate mozzarella cheese. Pour oil on the pan. Add chopped onions. Add chopped garlic. Add vegetable flavor. Add chili flakes. Add mixed herbs. Add mushrooms. Mix well. Add salt. Lid after 10 minutes. Add tomato sauce on the bread. Add mixed herbs. Add grated mozzarella cheese. Add chopped tomatoes. Add chopped mushrooms. Add chopped sausage. Roll it. Cut it. Add grated mozzarella cheese. Add the chopped bread with the pizza filling. Add grated mozzarella cheese on top. Add chopped sausage. Add chopped spring onion. Add chili flakes. Put it on the oven. Now it's served. Enjoy the food.